Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna take you on my process of making a few DIY zines. I hope you enjoy. For the first zine, I wanted to compile a few of my favorite quotes from Austin Kleon's book, Keep Going. The first book I read from him is Still Like an Artist, which I really enjoyed, so I picked up Keep Going at the start of this year. Since the zine has only 8 pages, I decided to include 6 quotes for the inner pages. I've been really obsessed with this typewriter font called Splendid 66, so I wanted to type all the quotes I've chosen in this font and then print them out on vellum paper. The first zine is completed and I love how everything came together. For the second zine, I wanted to make a little book of floral doodles. I watched a YouTube video tutorial and learned how to draw these simple flowers. This zine turned out really cute, and I think it would be nice as a table decoration as well. I decided to create the third zine digitally on Photoshop since there are quite a lot of words involved for this one. I picked out 3 of my favorite inspiring ideas I've collected from books and newsletters and put them onto the zine template. This zine was pretty easy to make since it was done digitally, and I would definitely be reading it whenever I need an extra dose of motivation. Making these zines was a really fun and therapeutic process. If you're looking for a creative project to pass time, give this one a try. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.